Hello, I'm Olga from Citizen Concierge. Citizen Concierge makes it quick and easy to prepare USCIS immigration applications. Our service helps you to avoid mistakes that create delays and rejections. Here's how it works. First, we help you determine if you are eligible with simple questions. Then our software guides you through each step with helpful information. We'll even alert you when your answer to a question could be a problem. Upon completion, you can choose to purchase our service and download PDF file for your prepared documents. We'll receive fully prepared application or petition that's ready to sign. Personalized filing instructions that explain exactly what to do next. In most cases, you'll need to sign the form and mail it to USCIS. Follow our process and we guarantee that USCIS will accept your application. You can even get started for free. You don't have to pay until the end. Get started now.